As a beginner to search engine optimization, you need to understand that there is no magic way to rank your website on the first page of Google, Bing or Yahoo. Hi followers, today we are back with another video on what is SEO. Let's start the video before any further ado. So first, page titles and description. First we are going to talk about page titles. Page titles are very important aspect of SEO and this is why it is the first item on my list. Each page needs to have a unique page title that accurately describes the page's content. Here is an example of the snippet searcher would see for the search query. As I searched what is Trigrexam, so I got this result. As you can see in the image, About Us is the page title of this web page. When you have a page open in a web browser, the page title is also what appears in your tab. So title tags are the first indication you give to both search engine and your audience what the page is about. They also help people remember where they are when they have multiple tabs open. Now, description. The page description meta tag is also very important. It gives users, Google and other search engines a summary of what the page is about. Google may choose to show what you type in the description as a snippet of your page or may decide to use a part of your page's content. Here in the image you can see the description below the title and URL. Second, permanent link structure. The permanent link structure is a term used to describe the format of URLs for pages, categories, tags or individual posts of a web page. Here in the image you can see HTTPS which depicts Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure with its domain and a category. So this is the permanent link structure of this web page. Third, breadcrumb. Make sure that you have a breadcrumb tail on all your internal pages. A breadcrumb is a set of links at the top of the page that add navigation. If you are using WordPress, there are many free plugins to create a breadcrumb, likewise in the image. Fourth one is internal links. When we talk about internal links, we mean links in a page that points to other pages within the website. That is not external links. In the example below, when you click on the link with anchor, increase the intensity, you will be redirected to a page within the website to find out more information on how to increase the intensity of an exercise. The last one is the 404 page. SEO is about improving the user experience and a proper 404 page contributes to that goal. The 404 page is the page shown when a user is looking for a page on your site that doesn't exist or mistype a URL or follows a broken link. So here are some tips to use SEO with example of images. We hope you watched the video till the end and it was beneficial for you all. Stay tuned for another video to complete the whole series on SEO. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.